Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, and I want to do a quick little video right here. We're on site right here at a customer's home, and what we're doing for this customer today is a wash, clay, and seal. It's very important to get the clay done because once you put your sealant, it will adhere better to the paint. That's why it'll last a little bit longer than just putting sealant without being clayed. So here are the effects right here. I want to show you. We did half of the hood. Let me just flip the camera around. All right, so here's the vehicle right here. It's a Ford F-150, and what we did was we did half of the hood. Half of it we didn't touch at all. The other half, as I said, we steam washed it, we clayed it, and we sealed it. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to actually use the customer's garden hose. Usually everything we do we actually use with steam, but I'm just going to use the garden hose to show you the effects of what happens after we finish. So I'm going to do this with one hand and hold it. Hopefully you can see. As you can see, the water is actually beading off, running off the vehicle. And you can actually see right here, it's dry. You can see little tiny beads of water. Perfect beads of water. A lot of the water has actually run off the vehicle. Let me hit it again with the spray. Look at that. The water is actually beading, running off. Now let's go to the other side. As you can see, this is the other side that we haven't done yet, and a lot of the water is still there. Here's the halfway mark. I'll hit it with the water again. See that? How the water is just running off? Come a little closer right here. You can kind of see the line where the water is not running off, and you can see where the water is running off. And that's the line that, you know, the halfway mark where we didn't treat yet. So this is very good. This is a very good application for protecting your vehicle. You can see a lot of beads right there. This is very good. See that? Hopefully you can see it. I'm not a master of the camera, but you know, try. You can see a lot of little beads of water here clumped up. On this side right here, there's no beads. It's just one big blob of water. So now why is this important? Well, it's very important. What this does is it helps your vehicle stay clean. It helps repel dust, environmental fallout. It also helps with bird poop. And here in Florida, somewhere around late April, May, we're gonna have these love bugs. It'll help you remove the love bugs very easily. Helps it not to stick to the paint as much. And yeah, you can see how it is. I'm gonna hit with the hose one more time to show you. Look at that. Water is just running off. This is a good indication that the car is protected. The water is just running off. It helps you wash the vehicle quicker. In some instances, you can just hose the vehicle down, and then to dry it, you come back with a leaf blower, compressed air, and just dry it down. Here, it's the other side. Kind of see there's some beads, but they're not going anywhere. The water's still on top of the surface. Come back to this side, you can see that? The water's running away. Yeah. So like I said, all we did to this hood, and the hood only, we steam washed it, we did a clay bar treatment, and we sealed it. Seal is like wax. We use sealant. Same thing. It gives a good I would say 5-month protection here we're in Orlando, Florida.